Hello children, in today's session I will solve some more questions on number system from a reference book for your practice. Question number 1. Express the following in form P upon Q. Now first one is 8.0025. You can see here that it is a terminating decimal expansion. So we can write it as 25 upon 10,000. Clear? Simplify, multiply, divide it by 25. You will get upon 400. This is the P upon Q form for 8.0025. Now second one is x is equal to 0.35 bar. Now you can see here that here 2 digit is recurring. So multiply 1 by 100. We will get 100x is equal to 100 into 0.35 bar. Now this is 2. Subtract 1 from 2. 100x minus x is equal to simplify it first. 35.35 bar. Say this is 2. Clear? पहले 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे उसे. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम 2. 100x माइनस x इज इक्वल टू 35.35 बार माइनस 0.35 बार. You will get 35. Clear? Here 99x. X is equal to 35 upon 99. Now third one is x is equal to 15.712 bar. This is a mixed recurring decimal expansion. Here you can see that only one digit 7 is not recurring, only 1 2 is recurring. So first we multiply it by, suppose this is 1, multiply 1 by 10. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यहाँ आफ्टर डेसिमल 1 डिजिट 7 विच इज नॉट रेकरिंग. तो पहले 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 10x क्या हो जाएगा 157.12 बार. सपोज दिस इज 2. नाउ अगेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 by 100 because here you can see that there it is 2 digit 1 and 2 which is recurring. तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 100 से. तो 100x इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 100x 10 इंटू 100 इंटू 10x इज इक्वल टू 100 इंटू 157.12 बार. मीन्स 15712.12 बार. और ये 1000x. सपोज दिस इज 3. subtract 2 from 3. अब हम 2 और 3 को कंसीडर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएंगे 1000x minus 10x is equal to 15712.12 bar minus 157.12 bar. Then you will get here 1 5 5 5 and 5 and it will be 990x. Clear? x is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 15555 divided by 990. If we cut it by 3, we will get 5185 divided by 330. Clear? फर्स्ट यहाँ पे देखो कि आफ्टर डेसिमल 1 डिजिट है तो पहले हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि डेसिमल के बाद क्या हमें मिल जाए जो रेकरिंग डिजिट्स हैं वो मिल जाए तो इधर वो ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया देन वी विल अगेन मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 100 तो इट विल बिकम 100 into 10x is equal to 100 into 157.12 bar. So 1000x is equal to this. Now you can subtract this from this easily because after decimal here is 12 bar and after decimal here is 12 bar. Clear? So this is the form of P upon Q for this number. Now question is find two irrational number between 2 and 2.5. Given numbers are 2 and 2.5. You can see here that 2 is less than 2.5. तो हमें क्या करना होगा ये 2 irrational numbers between these two. तो ऐसा 2 irrational number जो 2 से greater हो but 2.5 से smaller हो तो we can write any number which is greater than 2 but smaller than 2.5 but irrational number क्या होते हैं non terminating and non recurring होते हैं तो write this type number suppose this number is 2.101001 and dot dot करना पड़ेगा because it is non terminating and here you can see that after decimal डिजिट के पैटर्न्स जो है वो फॉर्म नहीं हो रहे हैं तो इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रेकरिंग डेसिमल एक्सटेंशन सो इट इज एन इरेशनल नंबर विच इज ग्रेटर देन 2 बट लेस देन 2.5 another number you can write as 2.3210 बस पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं होना चाहिए एंड सो ऑन Clear? Now another question is find two irrational numbers between √2 and √3. Here √2 and √3 you know that these two are irrational numbers तो हमें ऐसे नंबर फाइंड करने हैं जो इनके बीच में हो और इरेशनल हो। तो वो कोई भी नंबर हो सकते हैं जो √2 से बड़े हों। यू कैन राइट इट एज 2.1, it will be greater than √2 and less than √3, and any number 2.6, it will be greater than √2 but less than √3. So these two numbers will be two irrational number which may be lie between √2 and √3. Find a rational number and an irrational number between number is given 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and so on, and second number one is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 1 and so on. These two numbers are given and we have to find a rational number and an irrational number between these two numbers. Suppose a is equal to 0.10 and b is 0.1001 0001 and so on. Clear? Now compare these two numbers. First we will find which number is greater and which one is smaller. Here you can see that before decimal there is no digit in both of number. In after decimal here is 1, first place पे 1 है, here भी 1 है. Second place पे 0, here is also 0. Third place पे a में 1 है but here is 0. So a is greater than b, or you can say that b is less than a. Now we will find a rational number between these two numbers such that this number will be greater than b but less than a. Suppose this is c, rational number c is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, b से बड़ा हो तो 1 0 1 राइट कर लेते हैं क्योंकि b पे 0 है थर्ड प्लेस पे, हियर इट इज 1 और इसको टर्मिनेट कर देते हैं. तो दिस नंबर विल बी ग्रेटर देन b बट लेस देन a. तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द रेशनल नंबर which will lie between a and b. Now irrational number कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? Suppose it is d, तो it should also be greater than b but less than a. तो b से बड़ा कोई भी irrational number हम राइट कर लेते हैं जो b से बड़ा हो. तो suppose it is 0 0 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and so on. Here you can compare with b. Here in fourth place it is 1 and here it is 2. So it will be greater than b. But here in third place it is 1 and here is 0. So it will be less than a. So this will be an irrational number which will be lie between these two numbers. Clear? So you can find by this method rational and irrational numbers between two irrational numbers. Now one more question is from exponent 243 divided by 32 minus 4/5. क्या करेंगे हम? पहले से फैक्टराइज करेंगे और पावर के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. If you factorize it, you will find that it is 3 की पावर 5 and it is 2 to the power 5 minus 4/5. Now simplify it. 4/5. 3 to the power 5 into minus 4/5. You know that a to the power b to the power q क्या होता है? a की power p into q. And 2 to the power 5 into minus 4/5. 5 cancel. क्या होगा? 3 की power minus 4 divided by 2 की power minus 4. और you can write it as 2 की power 4 divided by 3 की power 4. Means 16/81. a की power minus p, you know that 1/a की power p. Clear? These are the some questions from a reference book. So now your number system is completed, and I will give a worksheet based on this chapter. Do it, and if you have any problem, you can message me.